Hello everyone, this is Nidhi. Today I am going to show you an experiment of your science subject. By this project, I want to show you how a volcano erupts. Okay, so what is my topic? My topic is volcanic eruption. Before starting my experiment, first I want to tell you about something, a volcano. What is a volcano, and then how volcano is erupted, and then some important facts related to volcano. So my first point is, what is a volcano? A volcano is formed when hot molten rocks, ash, gas and lava came out on Earth's surface. Okay. Next, molten rocks and ashes solidify as they cool down. A volcano erupts, it's spilling lava that flows down slope. You can see in this picture, lava spills downward. Okay. Next, hot ashes and gases are thrown into the air because of lighter weight. Next, magma is formed when the Earth's mantle melts. Melting may happen when tectonic plates are pulling apart or where one plate is pushed down another under. In other words, we can say that a volcano is erupt when the tectonic plates of the Earth pulling each other apart or under one another. Okay. Next, and magma is lighter than rock, so rises toward the Earth's surface. Now I'll tell you some important facts related to volcano. So my first one fact is, volcanoes can be of three types. First one, active volcano. Second one, dormant volcano, and third and last one is extinct volcano. So volcano, how many types of volcano? Only three. First one active, second one dormant, and third one extinct. My second point is, volcanoes are grown quickly, and third point is, volcanoes erupt because of escaping magma. My fourth point is, volcanoes are dangerous. My last and fifth point is, there are 20 volcanoes erupting right now. Okay. Now I'll show an erupting volcano through an experiment. So first I tell how I prepared my volcano. You already show here that my volcano is already ready. Okay. So how I prepared? I use a cardboard, a bottleneck. You can use your water bottleneck, and third one thing is clay. First I cut a bottle from its neck and paste it on cardboard. Okay. And then I'll cover it clay. So you also cover your water bottleneck with clay. Okay. And then put it inside for drying. After drying it completely, you can color it with red and yellow color. You can see here already I can use red colors and yellow color. Red for lavas, showing lavas coming out. Okay. And yellow for some metals. Okay. So now I'll tell how, some items we need for its eruption. We need a red color, or you can use food color also, any one of them. Okay. Next, we need a Eno packet, and third one is, we need some vinegar. Okay. Next, we need baking soda, 2 spoonful of baking soda. Okay. Next one is, and last thing is our water. Okay. So start our experiment. So it's an experimental time. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, I also ready. So first, you put your red color 2-3 drops into the hole of this volcano. Okay. And second thing is, one spoonful of baking soda. Now our third one thing is, one Eno packet. And now some drops of vinegar. And last thing is water. You can see here my volcano is erupted. Okay. So how is it looking? It's nice. So what you can see here, you see that I I put 2-3 drops of red color in volcanic hole, and then 1 spoonful of baking soda, then a Eno packet, and then some drops of vinegar, and last one I'll put water. Then it start erupting in the form of bubbles. Now you can see here a lava is here. After eruption, lava flows down slope like this. Okay, I hope all you like this experiment and you can use in your school science exhibition for your science project. At last, I want to repeat what is an volcano. A volcano is formed when hot molten rocks, ashes, gas and lava came out on the earth's surface. You can already shown in this experiment. I hope all you enjoy this experiment and like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for watching these type of videos first. Okay, bye bye student, take care and thank you. Bye bye.